Once swimmers are comfortable practicing side breathing on the wall, the next step is to transfer the skill into using a kickboard. Swimmers should hold the board horizontally in front of their body with arms fully extended and straight, creating an 11 shape. Many swimmers naturally want to bend their arms, so encourage straight arms early and often to reinforce good habits and proper body position. Demonstrate the skill before asking swimmers to try it. Use the same cues you introduced on the wall so they recognize the motion, rolling the head to the side, keeping the ear close to the shoulder, and taking a quick breath before returning their face to the water. Start by establishing a clear breathing pattern, such as side breath, no breath, side breath, no breath. As swimmers begin moving through the water, walk alongside them, giving corrections as needed. Watch for common mistakes such as lifting the head straight up instead of turning to the side or pushing the board down when rotating to breathe. Encourage them to stretch the arm forward during the breath. This keeps the stroke balanced and helps prepare them for freestyle without the kickboard. After swimming 12.5 yards, assist swimmers in stopping, provide quick corrections, and have them repeat the drill on the way back. Beginners may fatigue quickly, so they may only be able to swim about 7 to 10 yards at first. Adjust the distance to their ability level while keeping the focus on maintaining proper form. Remind swimmers that they must complete a full arm circle before grasping the board, or it may float away. This habit not only keeps the drill under control, but also sets them up for a smoother transition into full freestyle.